ladies and gentlemen, here in the representatives of Indonesia. Thank you for listening, and thank you again for the question. And I would like to ask you again, only one value. Only one. Okay, what is the most important value in my life or Wildan's life? Okay, maybe we'll have an answer first.
Okay, the most important value that I learned, that I get, and that I believe till now is the preparation. Why we must pray? It's because when we in one condition must make a decision, important decision, which have a great implication for the others. We must have a value that is prayer. It's my important value in my life.
Okay, but for me, there are so many, we can say there are so many values that I learned in my entire life. There are so many values that I really, we can say, become my guidance in how I live, and in how I make relations with other people. But Ari insisted that I only have to choose one value, and that will become honesty. Why honesty? Because that's the basic things that we need in a relationship. Not only in love relationship, but also in friendship, family, organization, and everything. Because with honesty, there will be no conflict. Yes, maybe there will be a little bit conflict there and here, but it will make something different about the conflict itself. Yeah, that's what the most important thing in my life. Honesty. Okay, thank you, everybody.
Thank you, everybody.